Hello, hi, and welcome back to the video series lecture. In this video, we are going to discuss and talk about advantages and disadvantages of conventional media. Well, the advantages are excellent reach, less expensive, wider coverage. When you talk about reach is very much excellent. It reaches almost every village. It is very less expensive as compared to other or as compared to the newspaper printed for towns or cities. It has a very wider coverage, and we can cover almost each and every village with such a very small number of prints. Disadvantages are at times unnecessary coverage is there, no customized message is there. So such conventional media is not up to the mark, or sometimes unnecessary informations are given, like कुत्ते ने इंसान को काट दिया is a normal one, but इंसान ने कुत्ते को काट दिया, it's an unnecessary coverage. But if death occurs, then it's an necessary. But if death of a dog occurs, then it's very much important. So as per the necessary and as per the importance, we need to go. Now, what is non-conventional medium? So we will understand this non-conventional medium, the non-electronic medium which work as a part of cultural and work as a vehicle for transmitting the tradition from one generation to another is called non-conventional or traditional media. Traditional tools of communications are developed from belief, customs and rituals practiced by the people. They are very old and deeply rooted. Example, drama, puppetry, painting, sculpture, song, music, storytelling, etc. So the non-conventional media is nothing but a non-electronic medium which work as a part of culture and work as a vehicle of transmitting. So here the conventions are not there. Only the traditional things are passed on from one generation to another generation. If, for example, X person becomes Ram in the particular Ramayana theater or theatrical act, his son would become the next Ram in the next theatrical scenario. So it's a non-conventional, there is no convention, and only the traditional media or traditional method is practiced. It is one of the traditional tools of communication which is developed from belief, customs and rituals practiced by these countrymen. They are very old and very deeply rooted because they stick to their cultures, they stick to their norms, because modernity is not there in their doorstep, or maybe modernity or practice of modern culture is yet to begin. So when you talk about local media refers to the media that is produced in an immediate area like a town, city or neighborhood, like a cable channel which is located in your city, city cable, that is your local media, and that local media provides you news, bulletins and breaking news. Melas or fairs, it is an important feature of Indian rural life which is held periodically or annually to commemorate events in tradition to the socio-cultural religion significance of melas. They also have a strong commercial aspects. Duration of melas varies from 1 day to 45 days. The sale per day offer a better idea of the commercial importance. So melas or fair are also a part of Indian rural life which is held periodically, maybe once in a year or maybe twice in a year or maybe 4 times in a year, depends on from days to how many days. It adds on to the socio-cultural aspects. Religious significance of melas have a very strong commercial aspect also. The sales per day offers a better idea of living a life and uh, arranging the commercial importances. Hearts, known as the mobile market of India, oldest market channel in the country, it plays a vital role in the lives of villagers as it provides a first contact point with the market. And whenever, whatever things happens, the local media persons contact these Mela boys or the Hearts or the person who is available in the Hearts. These people acts as a source of information. Now, the border heart or Sarhas heart, it is a place for social, cultural, political contract. There are around 43,000 hearts in India. Villagers prefer this market for better variety and lower prices, and because of this, the routine life runs, and the barter system occurs sometime. Then there is a media through wall painting, and this is also one of the part of rural media. It is considered to be form of outdoor media communication. It is a widespread form of advertising and is the favorite of Indian rural masses. It is important because they remind rural people about the brand, names, and logo, in addition to highlighting the key brand promises. They are economical in form. So, when you talk about wall painting, these things are treated as an outdoor media. It has a very uh, firm and popular form of advertising channel, and it is one of the India's favorite mode of communication. It is important because it reminds people about their rurality, about the brand names and logos, and it highlights the key brand promises and the endorsing or the endorser. They are very economical in form of financial moves. In our next video lecture, we'll talk about advantages and disadvantages of non-conventional media and with many other topics. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.